Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest flagship from Google, the Pixel 10 Pro XL, available right now at Boost Mobile. And here's some big news. The Pixel 10 series is actually the very first time Google Pixel devices are being offered on Boost Mobile. Let's check it out. Section 1. Overview and Pricing. The Pixel 10 Pro XL brings a truly premium experience. At Boost Mobile, it's available for $499.99, originally priced at $1,199.99 when you pair it with their unlimited premium plan. That's a huge discount of $700. And again, it's part of the first ever Pixel series you can pick up directly from Boost Mobile. Section 2. Display and Design. Let's talk design and display. This phone features a massive 6.8-inch Super Actua display running at 120 Hz, powered by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for durability. The screen can hit a blinding 3,300 nits of peak brightness for outdoor visibility. Section 3. Camera and AI Features. The camera system on the Pixel 10 Pro XL is a triple rear setup, 50-megapixel wide, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and 48-megapixel 5x telephoto, capable of ProRes zoom up to 100 times. On the AI side, Google's Gemini-powered features, like Magic Q, Camera Coach, Voice Translate, and real-time call translation, set this model apart. You even get the brand new Pixel Snap magnetic accessory system and Qi 2 wireless charging at up to 25 watts. Section 4. Performance and Battery. Under the hood, the phone runs on Google's Tensor G5 chip, built on a 3-nanometer process, offering about a 30% performance improvement over last year's model. It packs a 5,200 mAh battery, offers 45-watt wired charging plus 25-watt Qi 2 wireless charging on the Pro XL. Section 5. Spec Summary. Let's recap the key specs. Display, 6.8-inch Super. Actua OLED, 120 Hz refresh, 3,300 nits brightness. Cameras, 50MP wide, 48MP ultra-wide, 48MP telephoto, ProRes zoom up to 100 times. Processor Google Tensor G5 3nm. Memory and storage, 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, base model. Battery and charging, 5,200 mAh, 45-watt wired, 25-watt Qi, 2 wireless. Extras: Pixel Snap magnetic support, Titan M2 security chip, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth version 6, Gorilla Glass, Victus 2, Android 16 with 7 years of updates. Section 6. Final thoughts. If you want the best Google has to offer, huge display, powerhouse camera, top-tier AI features, this might just be your phone. And at $499.99, it's an excellent value. Plus, remember, the Pixel 10 series is the very first Pixel lineup you can get on Boost Mobile, which makes it even more exciting for Boost customers. If you want something more compact or slightly more affordable, check out the Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro versions. Outro. Thanks so much for watching. Drop your thoughts or questions below. I'd love to hear what you think about the Pixel 10 Pro XL and the Pixel series finally arriving on Boost Mobile. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more tech reviews. Catch you next time.